Okay, you guys, I am making pork lean pork chops, as you can see, with no bone. These are lean pork chops, as you can see. So as they turn a certain color on one end, sorry for the noise that's playing this outside. They're long on the grass, as you can see. And now I'm gonna add the extra lean pork chops. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. So what I do is I let my pork lean chops soak in the seasoning, and then I add the fifth one in there because I can't fit all of them in there, so I had to wait for them to shrink to add the fifth one inside the pan. But as you can see how I cook my lean pork chops, I cook them on 2, and then as you can see, I just keep turning them over. They're greatly seasoned, so they have to cook. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna add the juice to it. That is in a pan, and then I will be right back. So as I let the pork chops simmer into the pan so they could cook, you guys, I take the top off, put the fire up a little bit more, because you know, lean pork chops have to cook on a certain temperature, but I have to make sure they're tender. So I had to turn the fifth one over. And then while that's cooking, because these are very thick pork chops, so I'm going to add my onions. You guys know how I feel about red onions. You guys know I love red onions. I always cook with red onions. And I cut them kind of big, so I'm just going to like break them up. But y'all know how I love my red onions. Oh, yes, you guys know. It's time to add them on. Okay. Time to add them on. Let that cook. And then I'm going to take some garlic. I'm going to take some garlic. I'm going to cut up some garlic cloves. Okay. I'm just going to add that on top. Ooh, I want to show the knife. I'm going to add the garlic cloves on top. Okay, that's enough. Because the lean pork chops has already been soaked into the garlic, so as you can see, they have been soaked already into the garlic. So we're gonna let that marinate, and then I'm gonna work on making my okay, here we go. Then I'm going to work on making my gravy. So I'm going to let that marinate. Let that soak in. Put the cover on. Let it cook. And then I'm going to work on making my gravy, guys. Be right back. Okay, as you see, I had the pork chops simmering. Look at all that juice that's in there. As you can see, the juice. The onions is all in there. So we already got the juice because the gravy's already made. This is what you call natural gravy, you guys. I'm going to show you the natural gravy so you can see. Ooh. Yes, that's natural gravy from the pork, the lean pork. So we're going to let that simmer some more. And then I'm going to take the juice that has been made from the pork chop, as you can see. Nice lean pork. You see all that juice there? You see that? Ooh, look at that juice. Yes, so we're gonna use that juice to make the gravy. Yes, you guys, we're gonna use that juice to make the gravy. So I'm just gonna let it simmer some more. I'm just turning them over so you can get some color. And then I'm gonna put the top back on it so it can simmer some more. And I'll be right back. So now you guys, the lean pork is actually done, you guys. Look at that, it's so good. Nice and lean. So now we're gonna make the gravy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this lean pork. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. So now we're going to make the gravy. So I'm just going to scoop these onions up or whatever. And so now, you guys, I'm going to make my gravy and take the juice, okay, from the lean pork chops, put it into this bowl, which I have over here, okay. Take some of the juice, take about 2 to 3 scoops of the juice, and then I'm going to make my own gravy, you guys. So I'm going to put this right over here. Let that still continue to simmer, and then I'm going to cover so it can produce more juice. And then I'm basically going to take a scoop of flour, which I have over here. Take some flour, not a scoop, like a little spoon, half a spoon of the flour, as you can see. And then I'm going to place it into the juice that I just got. And then I'm just going to stir and mix. Make sure all the lumps are out. Okay, so I'm going to see that? It's going to get its color, but you're going to gradually just pour it. There we go. So now we made some lean pork gravy. So now we're just going to marinate this. And that's how we make the gravy for the lean pork. So I'm just going to gradually cover it so it can get like really thick. Woo, knocking onions off. So yeah. Now I'm going to cover it. Okay, be right back. Okay, now it is nice and done. You see the juice. Look how thick that gravy is. You see it? My own special gravy for my pork, my lean pork. So yes, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next cooking video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, if you're new to this, connect, and look forward to you guys coming to visit more of my videos at Hoodalicious Cooking. Yes, okay, you see that gravy? Look at that gravy, it looks so good. Nice gravy, homemade gravy, look at that. So I hope to see you guys soon. If you're new, thank you for tuning in, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for showing love at Hoodalicious Cooking. Bye.